Tesla owners who purchased full self-driving capability between 2016 and 2019 are feeling a sting of betrayal. They were promised a future of autonomous driving, a future where their cars could navigate roads without any human intervention. This promise, however, has hit a roadblock. The hardware embedded in their vehicles, known as HW3, is now deemed insufficient. It lacks the necessary computing power to deliver on Elon Musk's bold vision. This revelation has left many Tesla owners questioning the company's commitment to its customers. They feel misled, having invested substantial sums in a feature that may never materialize as promised. The situation raises critical questions about technological overpromising, consumer trust, and corporate accountability in the rapidly evolving landscape of autonomous vehicles. In 2016, Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, made a grand proclamation. He declared that all new Tesla vehicles were equipped with the hardware necessary to achieve full self-driving capability. This promise, however, hinged on a critical distinction in the levels of autonomy. The Society of Automotive Engineers defines 6 levels of driving automation, ranging from 0 to 5. Musk's promise implied level 5 autonomy. This means a vehicle can operate entirely on its own, in all conditions, without any human input. However, the hardware initially included in Tesla vehicles, while advanced for its time, was designed to support features closer to level 2 or level 3 autonomy. These levels still require a human driver to be attentive and ready to take control. Tesla's journey towards autonomous driving has been marked by a series of hardware iterations. Initially, Tesla vehicles were equipped with a system known as HW2/5. This system, while capable of supporting certain autopilot features, was not designed for full self-driving. Recognizing the need for more processing power, Tesla introduced HW3 in 2019. This new hardware boasted a more powerful computer, designed to handle the complex calculations required for full self-driving. However, as time passed and the complexity of achieving true autonomy became clearer, even HW3 began to show its limitations. In January 2025, Elon Musk dropped a bombshell. During a Tesla earnings call, he admitted that the HW3 hardware, the very hardware touted as full self-driving ready, was not up to the task. It lacked the necessary processing power to support the advanced neural networks and AI algorithms required for true level 5 autonomy. This admission sent shockwaves through the Tesla community. It confirmed what many had suspected, that the promise of full self-driving was, at least for those with older hardware, years away. The announcement raised serious questions about the feasibility of Tesla's self-driving ambitions and the company's transparency with its customers. Section 5. Counting the cost, the financial fallout of the HW3 miscalculation. The financial implications of Tesla's hardware miscalculation are significant. Millions of Tesla vehicles worldwide are equipped with the now outdated HW3 system. Upgrading these vehicles to a more capable system will require a massive logistical and financial undertaking. Estimates suggest that the cost of replacing the hardware in each vehicle could be as high as $10,000. With millions of vehicles needing an upgrade, the total cost to Tesla could easily reach into the billions of dollars. This financial burden will likely impact Tesla's profitability and could potentially lead to increased prices for consumers. Section 6. Broken promises. Navigating the legal minefield of false advertising. The revelation of HW3's shortcomings has opened Tesla up to legal challenges. Customers who purchased the full self-driving option based on Tesla's promises are now claiming they were misled. They argue that Tesla knowingly sold them a feature that was not achievable with the hardware in their vehicles. Class action lawsuits are already underway, alleging that Tesla engaged in false advertising and deceptive business practices. If successful, these lawsuits could cost Tesla billions of dollars in settlements and damage the company's reputation. The legal battles surrounding Tesla's self-driving claims are just beginning, and their outcome remains uncertain. Section 7. Tesla's next move, damage control, and the path forward. In the wake of the HW3 admission, Tesla faces a critical challenge, regaining the trust of its customers and investors. The company has announced plans to offer discounted hardware upgrades to owners of vehicles with HW3. However, the details of this program, including the cost to consumers and the timeline for upgrades, remain unclear. Tesla is also facing pressure from regulatory bodies to provide more transparency about its self-driving technology. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, has launched investigations into Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving systems, and the company could face significant fines and restrictions if found to have misled consumers or violated safety regulations. Section 8. The Ripple Effect, Eroding Trust and the Stakes for the Future. The Tesla HW3 fiasco has broader implications for the tech industry as a whole. It serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of overpromising and under-delivering on technological advancements. Consumers are increasingly wary of bold claims made by tech companies, and the erosion of trust could have a chilling effect on innovation. The situation also highlights the need for greater accountability and transparency from tech companies. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it is essential that companies are held responsible for their claims, and that consumers are provided with accurate and reliable information about the products they purchase. Section 9. A turning point for tech reckoning with accountability and transparency. The Tesla HW3 situation represents a turning point in the relationship between technology and society. It underscores the importance of responsible innovation and the need for greater accountability from tech companies. The decisions made by Tesla in the coming months and years will have a lasting impact on the future of autonomous driving and the tech industry as a whole. This situation serves as a stark reminder that technological advancements, while promising, must be grounded in reality and accompanied by a commitment to transparency, ethical conduct, and the best interests of consumers.